Evelyn, what are you doing? What'd you catch? What'd you catch?
What is it?
A fish.
Oh, okay. You're gonna catch our lunch. Go get some more. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Catch another one. How are you catching them? But what is it? A magnet?
Paper clip.
All right, go fishing in the pond. Let's go. Let's get some more fish. I'm hungry. I need my lunch. A rainy Sunday.
Oh,
You got another fish. Sweet.
thank you. 2.
Evelyn, how do you feel? Look at me.
Happy.
How many more fish are you going to catch?
7.
7. 1 for me, 1 for Mommy, 1. Dasher will want 2.
Okay. I have to get my nose there because that's all the
All right, let's go. Hope the fish are still hungry. What are you using for bait? Do you know what bait is? Bait is what you put on your fishing rod that the fish will eat. That's bait. You got another one! Yes! Sweet.
so slippery. Okay.
All right, let's go. Get a big one.